Dr. Manasa, why are you so interested in these new implants?
I'm interested in these new implants as a plastic surgeon because they are much less heavy than the classical implant. They are 1/3 less heavy than a classical silicone implant. Let's say you have an implant which weighs 500 grams. In reality, with B-Lite implants, they have only 350 grams in the same volume, and that gives us more possibilities for the operation.
Why are they lighter than the normal implants?
The new implants have the advantage of having air bubbles in themselves, the silicone gel. They are called microspheres, and that leads to less weight in the implant. So they are much lighter than the classical implant with the same volume.
Are they safe?
The new implants are very safe. They are produced in Germany in an area close to Frankfurt, and the company that produces these implants is Polytech. They have an experience of more than 20 years of producing silicone implants, and so the shell is the same as the normal implant, and they are very safe. And they have the seal of approval of CE and also made in Germany.
Why are these implants more expensive than the classical silicone implants?
The new implants from B-Lite are 1,000 euro more expensive than the classical implant because it's a development of new implants that leads also to more costs for the operation. But on the other hand, the patient receives better, lighter implants, which are better for the tissue.
What are the advantages of the B-Lite implants?
The new B-Lite implants have different advantages. One is that the implant is much lighter than the classical implant, which means that you have less pulling on the breast tissue, and so you have a result that is more stable than with the classical silicone implant, especially when you have big implants like 400 or 500 grams.
What are the disadvantages of the new implants?
The disadvantages of the B-Lite implants are, on one side, is that they are much more expensive, like 1,000 euro more than the classical implant, and on the other hand, there are no long-term studies. But we can also say that the shell is the classical shell, which is produced since 15 years and is regarded as very safe, and so we think that the implants are safe.
Which forms of implants exist?
In the new B-Lite implants you have also round implants, but you can have also the anatomical shape, the teardrop implant, in different sizes. So for each woman we have the right implant.
Dr. Manasa, which woman should choose these B-Lite implants?
These B-Lite implants are especially beneficial for women that are seeking big breasts. That means like 400, 500 or 600 gram implant is much less heavy, so they will be more happy with the B-Lite implant.
Dr. Manasa, thank you for this information.
Yes, welcome. Thank you too for your time.